We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words, some of the most mispronounced ones in English, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So, how do you say this one? Well, it is not a D sound, but a J sound. So in British English, it is to be said as module, module. You want to stress on that first mo syllable, and then a jewel sound, as in with a J. In American English, it is normally pronounced as module, module in American English, or module in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.